The Combat Helicopter is the only attack helicopter in the world to prove itself in the world's highest battlefield.
We are quite impressed with its capabilities. We have flown this chopper quite a lot in our unit, and we are quite impressed with its capabilities. It has been able to deliver on all the parameters that have been given by our able PSU HAL, and also the new roles that we are envisaging that this aircraft will be able to perform is to take out enemy air defenses and give close air support to the ground forces.
The Combat Helicopter is the only attack helicopter in the world to prove itself in the world's highest battlefield, where it can carry lethal weapons and destroy a plethora of targets in altitudes excess of 6 kilometers above mean sea level.
Dhanush helicopter squadron of the Indian Air Force, which has the unique honor of being the first squadron of the light combat helicopter in the Indian Armed Forces. Now the helicopter has been named Prachand. Today we are going to showcase the unique capabilities and the weapon systems which make the helicopter very lethal. We have with us Ronak Dubey, who is going to explain us and tell us what all are the capabilities.
There are basically two pilots which are required to operate this aircraft. The front one is the pilot and the rear one is called the weapon systems operator. Okay, the role of the front pilot is to pilot the aircraft. The role of the rear operator is to operate the weapon system. Since this aircraft has very modern weapon systems, so two pilots are required to operate the aircraft. As we go in front, this is the 20mm front cannon. This is utilized in case of close air combat situation which arises. This is a very modern electro-optical and IR system which can pick up targets from tens of kilometers away and show it to the pilot.
Can you tell us about what's the role of these pods, these rockets? What do they do?
These are basically unguided rockets which can be fired at any enemy troop concentration is there, or any enemy column of vehicles are there. This can be used against them, and due to the accuracy of these rockets, they prove to be very lethal.
And you know the helicopter very well. You have been flying it extensively for the last 3-4 months. How has its been performance in high altitude areas like Siachen and the eastern Ladakh sector?
I have not flown the helicopter in high altitude. However, during the trials, it has performed exceptionally well, and it has proven itself by carrying good payload capacity even at altitudes ranging to almost about 6 kilometers, which is a very good thing for an attack helicopter.